In today's video, we are going to cover how to create tiered pricing in Stripe. Start by signing in to your Stripe dashboard. Once you are in, take a moment to confirm that you are working in the correct environment. If you are creating this for testing, switch to sandbox or test mode before you continue. That detail matters because any prices you create in test mode stay separate from your live setup, so you can review the structure without affecting active customers. After that, go to Product Catalog. This is where Stripe stores the products and prices attached to them. From here, you can either create a new product or open one that already exists, depending on where you want this tiered price to live. If you are adding a new pricing option to something you already sell, open that existing product. If this is for a new offering, create the product first and then move forward from its product page. Once you are inside the product, click Add Price. Stripe will open the price setup screen where you define how this product will be billed. At this point, choose whether the price should be recurring or one-time. Use recurring if the tiered price is meant for a subscription or any repeated billing cycle. Use one-time if the charge should only happen once. Select the option that matches your pricing model before moving to the next setting. Now find the pricing model section and choose tiered. This changes the price setup so you can define different rates across quantity ranges. Instead of one flat amount for every unit, you will enter tiers that apply to specific quantity bands. Next, add your pricing tiers. Define the quantity ranges for each tier, then enter the price that belongs to each range. As you fill this in, make sure the ranges follow one another correctly, with no gaps or overlap, unless Stripe specifically allows the structure you want. The goal here is to create a clear progression so each quantity level is accounted for in the pricing setup. When all tiers are in place, review the tier configuration carefully. Look at the quantity ranges, confirm the prices, and make sure the billing type you selected earlier still matches the product. This is the point to catch any misplaced range or incorrect amount before saving. If you are working in test mode, it is also a good time to confirm that you are still in the test environment and not in live mode by mistake. When everything looks correct, click Create Price to save the tiered pricing. Stripe will then attach that new tiered price to the product you selected, and it will be available based on the mode you are currently using. Your tiered price is now created and saved in Stripe.